Welcome to my comprehensive review of Wave Accounting, an intuitive and free financial tool tailored for small businesses and freelancers. In this video, I will walk you through the platform's features, usability, and overall performance, providing an honest perspective on whether it's the right solution for your accounting needs. Wave is a cloud-based platform designed to simplify accounting tasks, offering features like invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting, all without the typical costs associated with similar software. When you first log in, you're greeted with a clean and user-friendly dashboard that summarizes your financial activity, giving you a quick overview of your income, expenses, and outstanding invoices. Navigating to Wave is straightforward. The sidebar provides easy access to all major features, including invoicing, transactions, accounting, and reports. Creating an invoice is seamless. Wave offers customizable templates that allow you to add your logo, specify payment terms, and set due dates. The system also supports automatic reminders for overdue invoices, making it easier to get paid on time. Expense tracking is another standout feature. You can connect your bank accounts and credit cards to automatically import transactions, saving time and reducing errors. Wave categorizes expenses intelligently, and you can easily adjust categories or split expenses when necessary. This automation ensures you spend less time on bookkeeping and more time on your business. Wave also excels in financial reporting. You can generate essential reports like profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow summaries with just a few clicks. These reports provide valuable insights into your business's financial health, helping you make informed decisions. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Be sure to check them out after watching the video. Wave is not without its limitations, though. While it's free, certain features, like payroll and payment processing, come at an additional cost. Payroll is currently limited to specific regions, and credit card processing fees apply if you opt to accept online payments. However, these fees are competitive, and the integration is seamless, making it a worthwhile option for those needing these services. One of the platform's key advantages is its accessibility. Wave is entirely cloud-based, which means you can manage your finances from anywhere using your computer or mobile device. The mobile app complements the desktop version well, especially for tracking receipts and managing invoices on the go. To sum up, Wave Accounting is an excellent choice for small business owners and freelancers seeking a cost-effective, easy-to-use accounting solution. Its powerful features, user-friendly design, and free pricing model make it a standout option in the market. However, you'll need to weigh its limitations, such as additional costs for premium features, against its many advantages. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content. Your support means a lot and helps me bring you more honest reviews and tutorials.